Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a deleted form on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and find a deleted form on ClickUp. Maybe you accidentally deleted something. How do you actually go ahead and find it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Documents. And what we're going to do is that let's actually go ahead and delete one of these forms. So if we click on delete this form, that's a test document. What we'll do next is that on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon, then click on settings. Then from here on the left-hand side, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says trash. Now on this trash list, if you give it a couple seconds to load, you should see that form or document that we just deleted. In order to restore it, all you've got to do is click on that document and then click on restore. And it's going to be placed back into the location that it was deleted from. So click on restore, and then if you go back into our documents, you'll see that that test form is now located here again. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a deleted form on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.